Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Viv-A-Wiz, and today we're gonna create a racing game in code.org Sprite Lab. So please sign into code.org with your Gmail account. So today we're gonna create this app with Sprite Lab. So let's begin. Okay, so Sprite Lab's loading. It's loaded, so we'll click on this rename option, and first of all we choose a name for it. So we'll write the name as Santa's Race Game. Santa. Or we'll just name it to Santa. We'll save it and we'll delete this block. Now we'll go up to the costumes and we'll click on new costume and we'll take draw our own. Now over here you can draw your own Santa and make him play. So the face of Santa and then his cap. So we'll be drawing Santa over here. And then from here we'll take pen tool and we will draw his cap. Yeah. Now we'll take a circle tool to draw the white part of his cap. Now we'll go to this paint bucket and we'll take this red option and we'll click over here. So the part is done. Now we'll click on circle tool and we'll change this to black all the way again, and then we will draw two teeny mini eyes and we will change this to red now, and we will create a happy smiling face. So now we'll paint our Santa's eyes black. Okay, and we'll change this around. Now we'll go to this paint bucket and we'll click over here and we'll paint his eyes. Now Santa's face is ready. So over here now what's left is to just paint his face. Yeah. So over here now we'll draw a suitable body for our Santa. And we'll draw it in a red coat. As Santa wears a red coat. Okay, so now over here we'll just draw one triangular square, and over here in the center we'll draw actually a line to say that his coat is only till here, not broader. And then we'll just go to the paint bucket and we'll paint his coat. Now we'll draw his belt. So we'll take the rectangular tool again and we'll go to the yellow part and we'll draw his belt like this. So his belt is drawn, and now the only thing left is his hands and his legs. So we'll take the pen tool and we'll draw his hands. So here you go. His hands are ready. And I've drawn something odd, so I'll just erase this. And our Santa's hands are ready. Now we'll just paint his hands to orange so that he looks like Santa. So paint bucket, and I've painted his hands peach. Okay. Now we'll paint his other hand. Oh. So we'll set this to blank and we'll paint it normal again. So we will draw his hand a little bit again with the stroke tool and we'll connect his hand all the way again. And now we will just paint his hand so that it will connect to the other hand. So over here I got my paint bucket and his one hand is over. Now we'll draw the second hand. So here you go. A second hand is drawn. Now we'll paint it and the Santa is ready. So now we got to make our Santa run. So our Santa can't run without legs. So we've drawn his legs in this way. And our Santa is totally ready to get his gifts back. Now we'll go to the new costume and we'll click on draw again. And over here we'll just create a gift. So Santa has lost one of his gifts. So Santa has to run and get them back. So let's make Santa get his gifts back. So now we'll go to codes and when run, make new sprite called this at his place, which is this. So we'll duplicate it. So we'll go to sprites again and create this. We'll add 6 of these or 4 of these so that Santa can get all of the 4. So we will set the second one to this place, the third one over here, and the fourth one over here. So now we even got to create a Santa, right? So we'll take this position to this place and we'll add our Santa. So now Santa will get his gifts. So for that code we'll go to the events and we'll get this block. So we'll get 4 of these blocks because we need up, left, right and down. So up is the same and then we'll change this to down and this to left and this to right. Now we will go to the behaviors and we'll do sprite begins. So we'll do this Santa begins and to the behaviors we'll do driving with arrow keys. So we'll delete these events that we created and we'll just add this. So our Santa is driving with the arrow keys. So our Santa is moving over here, but he can't get his gifts. So we'll do onto the events when, and we'll delete this block and again to the events. Okay, so we'll go when Santa touches this, hide this sprite. So remove sprite this. So now our Santa has touched one of the sprites, so all of the sprites got invisibilized. And to change that, we'll duplicate this and we'll change this thing's color to black. Then we'll duplicate the same and we'll change this thing's color to red. So we only need 3 for now. So I'll delete this and I'll take this to red, this to black, and we'll just add another event. So our events come and Santa touches the red one. Then we will do remove again. So it's the same code for all, but we will add a text over there. So we'll add the text after we're done for coding all of these the same code. So we'll go to the events and then to the sprites, and then we'll click on remove, and we will click on this black one. So when black one touches Santa, so now we just gotta add the text that you win. So we'll add that text, and we'll change these positions to be a little tougher this time. The red one. So we have coded for invisibilizing. So now the Santa is moving with our arrow keys. So now that our Santa is driving with our arrow keys, we can get the sprites easily. So this is how you can get the sprites. But we need to add this text that you lose. So we'll add the text now, or you win. So we'll go to world, and then we'll get this, and we'll take print yay. So we'll click here and we'll write print yeah. So we'll do the same for all after adding the print everywhere. So it's yeah. So it's the last one. So we've done it. Now that we've printed yeah, let's check if it's working. Yeah, and it wrote yeah, and it wrote yeah. So thanks friends for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.